Aging is a complex biological process that affects every living organism. It's not just a number, it's a series of changes at the cellular and molecular levels that can lead to a decline in health and vitality. Understanding the hallmarks of aging is crucial for unlocking the secrets to longevity and improving our quality of life as we age. The hallmarks of aging can be classified into three main categories: primary, antagonistic, and integrative hallmarks. Primary hallmarks are the fundamental processes that drive aging. These include genomic instability, telomere attrition, and epigenetic alterations. Genomic instability refers to the accumulation of damage to our DNA over time, which can lead to diseases like cancer. Telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes, shorten with each cell division, eventually leading to cellular senescence. Epigenetic alterations modify gene expression without changing the DNA sequence itself, impacting how our cells function. Next, we have antagonistic hallmarks, which are responses to the primary hallmarks that can either promote or inhibit aging. For example, the inflammatory response can help fight off infections, but, when chronic, contributes to age-related diseases. Similarly, the loss of proteostasis, or the ability to maintain protein balance, can lead to the accumulation of damaged proteins, which is linked to neurodegenerative diseases. Integrative hallmarks are the interconnected pathways that influence the aging process as a whole. These include altered intercellular communication, stem cell exhaustion, and mitochondrial dysfunction. As we age, our cells communicate less effectively, which can disrupt tissue homeostasis. Stem cell exhaustion limits our body's ability to regenerate damaged tissues, while mitochondrial dysfunction affects energy production, leading to fatigue and decreased cellular function. Now, let's talk about organ aging. Different organs age at different rates, influenced by factors like genetics, lifestyle, and environmental exposures. The heart, brain, and skin all show distinct aging patterns, and understanding these differences can help us develop targeted therapies. Speaking of therapies, there's exciting research into repurposing existing drugs for anti-aging purposes. For instance, metformin, a common diabetes medication, has shown promise in extending lifespan and improving health span. Rapamycin, known for its immunosuppressive properties, is being studied for its potential to delay aging in various organisms. These drugs, along with lifestyle interventions like diet and exercise, could play a significant role in combating the effects of aging. Ultimately, aging is a biological process, but it's not set in stone. Scientific advancements are paving the way for innovative therapies that can influence how we age. By targeting the hallmarks of aging, we can not only extend lifespan, but also enhance the quality of our lives. The future of aging research holds immense potential, and understanding these mechanisms is the first step toward harnessing that potential for a healthier, longer life.